Is your computer running slow? Is it bogged down with viruses and malware? If so, you've come to the right place. We're proud to be the premier local computer repair service, and we pride ourselves on being professional, reliable, and affordable. Before you go and spend hundreds of dollars on a new computer, let our repair technicians take a look at your old one. Chances are we can get it running like new and remove all viruses and malware, saving you a ton of money. So contact us now and find out why so many local customers come to us for all of their computer repair needs.